Hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new here. I'm going to be making some resin coasters with alcohol inks today. I've already mixed up some resin, so I'm just going to pop a mask on and then we will get started. So hopefully you can still hear me with this mask on. I've got my resin here nice and ready, mixed. I'm going to go ahead and fill both up. It's hard to tell if they're completely full. They both are, great. Give them a quick torch to get rid of any air bubbles. And then I've got lots of colours to use today. So I've got gold, lime green, deep white, sapphire blue, red and violet. Don't know if I'm going to use all of them, but I thought they'd look cool together. So maybe the ones I definitely want. White, gold, violet. I'm just going to use all of them. These are all new alcohol inks, so I don't know if they're any good or not, but we'll find out together. So I just shook all of the alcohol inks up and snipped the tops off of camera. So I'm just going to go ahead and start adding. I'm going to start, well, I was going to say sparingly, but that's already spreading out quite a lot. Maybe 2 of that one. I'm done with gold now. Put that to the side. trying to decide if I should swirl the colours or not. I'll do one. I'm going to swirl the colours in one of them, and then we can see the difference when they're cured. But which one? This one. Oh, that looks really cool. Now I'm tempted to do on the other one as well. Shall I? Yeah, I'm just going to do it. There we go. And then I'll be back when they're cured and we can have a look together. It's been probably 4 days since I poured these. They are very hard, as you can hear. They look really cool. I love the way that the golds sort of bloomed out. That was definitely from the swirling that I did with the cocktail stick. So, let's demould. You can't see through, it's really exciting. I'm going to keep them both down and then I'll turn them over at the same time and then we can see them both together. Alright. Ooh, cool. Wow, look at that white, how that's come through, and then we've still got some transparent bits. See the gold all the way through at the back. Looks really layered, that's super cool. And this one's just the same. Gold at the back, the blooming of the white, how it's sort of spread through. Looks almost like a petri dish where things are growing. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Drop me a like if you enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see future videos. And I will put some pictures of these at the end. Have a great day.